Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to make this pipe with flange, and we'll learn to use pipe, shell, extrude, and fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this pipe, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create the center lines of the pipe. So the first thing that we make, create this line, this arc, and this line here. Open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here. Click here and hold the left button of the mouse to create an arc and create another line here, okay? This arc must be tangent with the both lines and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and the midpoint, 50 millimeters, and the distance between this line here and this point is 51.25 plus 23.75, okay? So select this point and this line here, the distance here 50 millimeters, and the distance between this line and the midpoint here is 51.25 plus 23.75, and press OK. And this arc here has 18 millimeters of radius. Okay. And now we will create this line here. This line has 26.75 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 23.75. So select line, click here, make a line here with 26.75, and the distance here is 23.75. And now we will create this line here. The length of this line is 35.25, and the distance between this line and this point here is 17.5. So select line, make a line here, go to sketch dimension, the distance here 17.5, and the length here is 35.25. Press OK. We made this profile, finish the sketch. Now we will create a pipe here, and the first pipe that we'll make, we'll create this one. The diameter, 25 millimeters of diameter, and the hole here is 20 millimeters. So the thickness of this pipe here is 2.5 millimeters, okay? The difference here is 5, but we have 2.5 in this side and 2.5 in this side. And this pipe here, the thickness is the same, and here the thickness is the same, 2.5 millimeters. So go to create, select pipe, select this profile here, remove the chain selection, okay, and select this profile. The section size here is 25 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. And go to pipe again, show the sketch one, select this line. The section size here is 20 millimeters, and here in this pipe is 20 millimeters, okay? And go to pipe again, select this line here, 20 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. Hide the sketch one. The thickness of this pipe is 2.5 millimeters. So go to modify, select the shell, select the faces that we will remove, and the thickness here is 2.5 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. Just check this, the diameter inside 20 millimeters, the outside 25, and here the outside is 20 millimeters and the inside 15 millimeters of diameter, okay? The same here. And now we will create this sketch here, this flange. It is a square 50 by 50 millimeters, and in the corners we have a fillet with 5 millimeters of radius, So go to create a sketch, select this face here. I will rotate this a little bit. Go to create, select the project include project, select this circle here and press OK. And go to 2-point rectangle, select the center red rectangle, click here in this point, 50 by 50 millimeters, and go to fillet, make a fillet here with 5 millimeters of radius. Press OK. And here we have a hole with 5 millimeters of diameter. This hole is concentric with this arc. The distance here 40 millimeters. So just to check the dimension here, it must be 40 millimeters, the distance between the center of the fillet. So select the circle, make a circle here with 5 millimeters of diameter and create another circle here. Just make the circles concentric with the arc, okay? And go to constraint, select the equal, select the circles. And finish the sketch. And now we need to extrude this 5 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile, minus 5 millimeters, operation join and press OK. Now we will create this flange here. So here we have a circle with 57.5 millimeters of diameter, and we have 4 holes, and the distance between the hole and the center is 47.5 over 2, and this hole has 5 millimeters of diameter, okay? So the first thing, go to create a sketch and select this face here. Go to project, select this inside circle here, press OK. Now select the circle, click here on this point, make a circle here with 57.5 millimeters of diameter. And select a line, a construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a construction line here with 47.5 over 2. And select the circle, remove the construction line type, make a circle here with 5 millimeters of diameter. And go to create, select the circular pattern, select the circle, and the center point, select the midpoint here. The quantity is 4 and press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude. The thickness here is 5 millimeters. So select this profile, minus 5 millimeters, operation join and press OK. And now we will create the last flange here, this one. So the first thing, go to create a sketch and select this face here. I will rotate this a little bit. And go to create, project include, project, select the inside circle here and press OK. And here we will create a construction line here with 35 millimeters of length. And we will create these 2 circles with 5 millimeters of diameter. So select a line, construction line, make a construction line with 35 millimeters of length, and go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center of the circle, okay? Make sure that this line here is a vertical line, and select the circle, remove the construction line type, make a circle here with 5 millimeters, and make another one here. Make this equal. And now we will create this sketch here. And select a line, make a line here. Click with the left button and hold this to make an arc. Make a line here and make another arc here. No problem if it is far from the circle. Make another arc here, a line and another arc. Okay, I will move this a little bit here, but first go to constraint, select the tangent, make all the lines tangent with the arcs. Okay, and I will move this a little bit here, and go to constraint, select the concentric, select this arc and this circle, 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 and go to constraint again, select the equal, select this arc here and this one, this arc here and this one. And now let's see the dimensions here. The radius here 5 millimeters, and this arc here has 12.5 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 5, and the radius here is 12.5. We made this profile. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile, and the thickness here is 3.75 millimeters. So minus 3.75. Operation join and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.